Hey everybody, big welcome back, and welcome for the first time you've never been here before. My name's Mike, and one of my new hobbies apparently is fixing up this old 1996 Maxum. It's like a 22-foot ski boat. This is just a quick update on the engine. I thought, oh, I got off work, it's a beautiful day out, you know, sun's shining and all this shit. Maybe I will come out here and make a video popping off the cracked manifold and trying to see if we could work on getting this engine unstuck. I thought I would save some time for the video and just go ahead and crack some of the bolts loose just to make sure they're loose. And I was going to do that kind of like, you know, without recording, and then that way save some time. I managed to get the first one out. The second one, wherever the head of it went, snapped. It's right there. And as I'm trying to feel towards the back, and the rust is taking over these things. Oh, here, all right, let's get you in there. Might as well show. So this manifold's actually cracked a lot worse than I thought. I didn't realize that. Not that it matters, because it's got to get pulled out anyway. Let you guys kind of look up under the engine there if you want to see. Anyway, it's pretty skanky. And then I was like, all right, you know what? I never really checked out the other side yet. And got over here looking around. And bear with me, folks, I just got to switch locations. We'll bring you guys in through the side door here. And bad news, this side is cracked as well. So I'm thinking that like to buy those is, you know, about 350 bucks or whatever each, so that's about 700 bucks plus shipping. Or maybe I get a used set. I saw some on there out in Muskoka for about 150 each, so 300 bucks, couple hour drive. But then I'm kind of thinking maybe I'm just better off to buy an engine. There are some engines available, so we will see. I just wanted to kind of throw together the little update. I want to thank all my new subscribers that have subscribed on the last few boat videos. Because, like, you know, I do plan on fixing it up. Exactly how, not quite sure. But fighting these manifolds to get them off today, I don't think is going to happen. I got some steaks to barbecue. I just thought I was going to crack some bolts and you know, pop this off. But they are so rusted in there. I'm going to have to kind of move the fuel line, I think, out of the way. But at this point, I'm wondering if I should just be disconnecting them. The good news is this, actually, though, will actually just break right apart. I was already beaten on it a bit. So I could just smash that off to give myself a bit more access. But I'm wondering if I should just get a cherry picker and pull this bitch right on out of here. And get either the possibility of rebuilding this, or is it just better just to buy somebody else's running engine? So I don't know. Just wanted to do that quick update for you guys. And I think the new plan is Saturday. Come on out here. It's going to be a beautiful weekend, so have a little bit more time and I'll try to get some footage. And I encourage anyone that's got any input, if you got suggestions, thoughts, opinions, a dirty joke, anything you want to throw in the comments, go right ahead. And we're gonna figure this out. We got to get this bitch out on the water. So I've already been looking at the new material for the seats and for what we're gonna do for that. So yeah, good things to come. Thanks for tuning in. I know it's not the most exciting video, but don't worry, I'm gonna get some clips. I think no matter what, we're gonna pull these off just to see the kind of damage that's in them, right? So to split like that, they're probably really beautiful in there. All right, guys, see you soon.